Hello KK babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We're here with the apartment tour here in Tampa, Florida. Let me know if you like these videos, and we're starting off with the gym. 2 rooms to the gym. There's also a squat bar, and there's also the Stairmaster, which took me by surprise because a lot of gyms and apartments don't have that, so that was a plus. I thought it was really great. They have a great city view. I love the open windows. Super nice. The apartment was actually way above my budget. I just like to view apartments that I want to manifest and eventually live into in the future. But I was just kind of looking around. But for any of you who actually can afford this apartment and is just looking around for the Tampa area, here is the hot tub, and they have 2 pools as well with a great city view. They call this the deck area, the entire roof. Now, the deepest the pools go is 5 feet, and then the other one, the deepest that other pool goes is 4 feet. It was about to rain, so it looks kind of gloomy outside, so just bear with me. It was still a really nice view. Here's another quick little view of the gym. This is the yoga room, which is really big for a yoga room, and it comes with a lot of different things like the yoga mats and stuff like that. I thought it was really nice. They told me they had more amenities on the 10th floor. We did go to the 10th floor, but for some reason I don't have the footage to that, so I do apologize. Here's another view. This is another area outside in the roofed sun deck area. This is the fire pit area, kind of like the hangout, the social area. More like just places to sit. Like I said, this is the hangout area. Nice, beautiful city view. Over here is the grill area. Look at the buildings, so beautiful. Over here is also the social room where you can just kind of hang out, watch TV, maybe invite some friends over. There's another social area over here in the back. Again, they have more amenities on their 10th floor. I'm not even sure what floor we were on. They have code entry access to all of their apartments. We're going to view a 1-bedroom at 719 square feet, and their smallest is at 631 square feet. AC there. I love the nice island. Now, the island does roll, so just be aware. This is the bathroom, super nice. I love the drawers for space. The shower, however, was really small, so if you plan on showering with your hubby or something, it's probably not a good idea. The closet was also really small, very small closet area. Again, this is their smallest 1-bedroom at 719 square feet. I did like that light fixture though. It was really nice, but not a lot of closet space. This view is beautiful. This is the 1-bedroom. Again, the room is small to me as well. You can access your balcony through your bedroom. There's no door in their 1-bedrooms. All of their 1-bedrooms, even their biggest 1-bedroom at 815 square feet, does not come with a door. Only their 2 bedrooms and up comes with an actual door. I kind of don't like it because it kind of gives studio vibes instead of a 1-bedroom vibe. You see that open space, no privacy really. This would be the dining room area. I love how they have that 1 floor to ceiling window still, so you can still see the view while you eat. I thought that was really nice. But however, I don't think I would move into an apartment like this. Look at that nice white finish. It's so super nice. It just kind of gives me studio vibes, and even though this is a 1-bedroom, it just doesn't really give it. It's very small, but it does come with the washer and dryer, and it comes with extra storage closet as well, because you know the closet area is small, so that extra storage closet area would definitely come in handy. So that's super nice. These apartments are called The Element, located in downtown Tampa. Subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.